चलो फिफ्थ वन, फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एंगल ए दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. नाउ फिफ्थ वन, find the value of find the value of find the value of find the value of cos 55 degree into cosec 35 degree plus sin 55 degree into sec 35 degree minus 4 sin square 45 degree. Minus 4 sin square 45 degree. Then sixth one, sixth one, 2 tan 57 degree, 2 tan 57 degree, okay, 2 tan 57 degree into tan 33 degree, minus cot 70 degree into cot 20 degree minus minus root 2 cos 45 degree. What is the answer of fifth? 0. Chalo, one student answer 0. What about other? 0. Send me in the chat box so that I can read the name. Aryan Patel 0. Okay. Satish Patel 0. Bhumi Patel 0. 0 means 0 answer. You are not 0. Okay. No student is 0. Rishabh is 0. 0 means your answer is 0. I am not saying anybody is 0. Tanvi Patel answer 0. Okay. Chalo, let me give one more question, then we will discuss. Let me give one more question. Cos 22 degree into cosec 68 degree minus tan 47 degree sorry plus tan 47 degree into tan 43 degree Yes, everybody, all of you have got the answer this one. What answer? Fourth answer, BC is X. And certain values you have to remember that root 3 is 1.732, root 2 is 1.414. चलो फिफ्थ आंसर, फोर्थ स्टूडेंट हैज गॉट द आंसर 0. One minute, 1 minute. Let me give you the option for sixth. Let me give you the option for sixth, and then you send me the answer. Let me discuss fifth one first, and then I will. Cos 55 degree. Cos 55 degree. Yes, what is cosec? Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 upon sine 35 degree. Okay. Plus sine 55 degree into sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 35 degree. Minus 4 sine square 45 degree. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square. So cos and sine, they are complementary angles. So cos 55 degree I can write sine 90 minus 55 degree. 90 minus 55 degree upon sine 35 degree. Plus sine 55 degree, sine and cos, they are complementary angle. Cos I can write sine 90 minus 35 degree. Minus 4 into 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. Now sine 90 minus 55 is sine 35 upon sine 35 plus sine 55 upon 90 minus 35 is 55. Sine 55 minus 4 into 1 by 2 is 2. This get cancelled, answer is 1. This get cancelled, answer is 1. 1 plus 1 minus 2. Answer is 2 minus 2. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Yes. Okay, 6th and 7th answer is what? Let me give you the option and then you will send me the answer in the chat box in terms of option. Sixth question, let me give you the option. Sixth question, option A. Option A is 1, 3, B is 1 minus root 2. C, answer is 0. D, answer is 2. So send me the answer of option of 6 first. Satish Patel C. C means 0 answer. Okay. What about others? Send me the option. Anushree Mishra C. Aryan Patel C. Jay Gandhi C. Bhumi Patel C. Rushabh Ghatani C. Pratham Sethia C. My dear, you send me the answer. So your options are remaining in the chat box. And so some benefit can be given in terms of active participation in internal. Alex Sagar C. Sarita Gupta 0. Answer C option. Rudra Bagwe C. Okay. Tirath Gandhi C. Very good. C means option 0. C means option 0. Yes, only 7-8 students. Sixth, correct answer is C. 0 is the answer. Same thing. Okay. Tan 57 degree, tan 33 degree. Tan 30 degree you can write 1 upon cot 30 degree. So tan upon cot complementary angle. This value will be 1. So 2 into 1 minus. Similarly cot 20 degree you can write 1 upon tan 20 degree. Cot and tan complementary angle. This value will be 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus root 2 into cos 45, 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled, 1 minus 1, answer is 0. Chalo, do seventh one. What the answer? Chalo, let me give you the option for 7. Option A is 4, B is 2, C is 0, D is 8. Chalo, send me the answer for 7th one. Satish Patel B. B means 2. Okay. You want to say your answer is 2. Okay. What about others? Aryan Patel B is equal to 2. Okay. Second option B. Answer is 2. Tanvi Patel B. Jay Gandhi B. Pratham Sethia B. Bhumi Patel B. Alex Sagar B. Yes. Only we are playing a revision with some 8 to 10 players. 8 to 10 players are there in the revision who are doing the batting. The rest are just sitting in the stadium and seeing the match. My role is umpire. Okay. Chalo, 5 to 6 students, they gave the answer B option, that is 2. House here. Cosec you will write 1 upon sine, then cos upon sine complementary angle 1. Then tan you will write 1 upon cot, tan upon cot complementary angle 1, 1 plus 1, answer is 2. 1 plus 1, answer is 2. So today we will keep last lecture of division for trigonometry. Anybody has any doubt, you can ask. If there is any doubt. Have you got the paper pattern? Yes. Have I discussed paper pattern? No. Yes. Paper pattern have I discussed? Okay, chalo, write down paper pattern. Paper pattern. Okay. 40 marks will be objective. 40 marks will be objective in MCQ form, and 40 marks will be subjective. Subjective means you have to write down the answer and upload the answer. See, you have to upload single PDF. For each question there should not be separate upload. You have to make all the answers single PDF and upload that answer in the first answer. What is that pattern? Question 1, 3 marks. Question 2, 3 marks. Question 3, 3 marks. Question 4, 3 marks. Question 5, 3 marks. Question 6, 3 marks. Question 7, 3 marks. Question 8, 3 marks. Yes. Question 9, 4 marks. Question 10, 4 marks. Question 11, 4 marks. Question 12, 4 marks. Okay. So you can count. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. And 4 4s are 16. 24 plus 16 is 40. So there will be 8 questions of 3 marks and 4 questions of 4 marks. Is it clear? Now, why I am explaining you? Because once you will receive the paper pattern, you should not get confused. There will be 8 questions in MCQ. Each question there will be 4 choice. Now subjective it. Yes. 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 Single. Then my dear, two PDF you can make. Okay. But I will advise you, in one PDF it will work. One PDF it will come. Okay. Now the same pattern is there for subjective. Only in subjective there will not be any option. So question 1, 3 marks. Question 2, 3 marks. हाँ same. Question 3, 3 marks. Question 4, 3 marks. Question 5, 3 marks. Question 6, 3 marks. Question 7, 3 marks. So we have question 8, 3 marks. No, graph will not come. Graph may come in subjective. Okay. Histogram of frequency. Graph will be there, my dear. Whatever I taught. Question 9 will be 4 marks. Question 10 will be 4 marks. Graph paper. Graph paper you have to do the work and then you have to upload it along with the PDF. So 8 questions, 3 marks, 24. 4 questions of 4 marks, 16 marks. Okay. So 24 plus 16 in subjective there will be no choice in the answer. No choice in answer. Okay. Is it clear paper pattern? Any doubt? My dear subjective, how direct answer? You have to show the calculation. How we are solving the problem on the board the same way. You have to detailed solution you have to write down. Detailed solution you have to write down and then upload it. Whereas in objective, no need to write the question. You have to write down only question number. Okay, only. So that the duration you will come to know whenever you will get the paper pattern. Duration is mentioned there. Okay. Duration is mentioned there. You will get sufficient time for uploading, sufficient time for writing. Do not worry. All the care we have taken. Yes, different. Question will not be same. Yes, only topics are same. Topics are rational number, factorization, expansion, simultaneous linear equation, whatever portion sheet you have got for term 1. Okay, then static. So portion. So same portion will be there for objective, same portion will be there for subjective. Only the thing is, the question of MCQ will not be repeated in subjective. The same question. Second thing, their type may be repeated, or it may happen that in objective you are having 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and in subjective you are having 5m minus 1 is equal to 0. So type will remain same, my dear. Okay, there will be no difference in the type. Type will remain same. Or it may happen that subjective is different from objective. So portion is same. Whether question of objective will be repeated in subjective, that is confidential. Okay. Yes, but type will remain same. Portion will remain same. Whatever you will study for objective, the same portion we have kept for subjective. Yes, chalo, do one thing. How much? 29 minutes. 29. 1 minute is there. Chalo, let me see. One question of 6th standard or 7th standard, let me see. Predecessor of predecessor of 0.01, 0.2 into 0.5 divided by predecessor of 2 into 0.5 divided by 2, 3, 4, 8, 7 divided by 812 into 446. Chalo, give the answer. Hmm? 0. What about other? One student answer is 0. Yes, 0 is the correct answer. Because 2 in 0 only. 2 into 0.5 will be 1. Predecessor of 1 is 1 minus 1, 0. 0 upon whichever bigger number, numerator is 0, the answer becomes 0. Okay. Anyhow, this was not related to you, but it has come in the scholarship examination, so I just give you. Chalo. So now we stop here. It is 10:31. Now trigonometric revision is over. Now factorization we will do next period. Okay. Bye. Go through the videos for revision. Whichever chapter